Ulam pang ke yang dorbar thau an ke jela Thomas Sangma ulap penmena ba Phah ya ke Notis Xiao MLA ke Meliam constituency jong ke Seng Kongres uba Ronnie Lyngdoh ba la Weng yu kum unang yalam ke liang persya ne leader of the opposition LO lada I no kam hi dalade. Ulam pang loong ba ke benta jong uba Lyngdoh kum unang yalam ke liang persya kala long ke bamla pediang syu na kada ba ula sa stang marway hapok ke Kongres parti. Kene kala wan dia hadin ba kilai ngut ki MLA kila penyeso sya ke NPP pat kilai no marwe yau ba Lyngdoh kum MLA ke Kongres.
I think everybody knows that the present sitting LO has only one member left in the House. So the Speaker's office will have to issue him a notification, denotify.
By when is it? Go to the TMC, sir?
That I cannot say because none of the parties from the opposition side have submitted any prayer for that. So I can take my time in making a decision, and I can examine the matter. I cannot just without anybody bringing a submission. I cannot make a decision and appoint anybody just like that. So because right now, at presently, the requisite number is not there.
Sir, but there is no combined opposition in the assembly,
So
sir?
far, not.
Yeah. So, but
No.
like
I'm waiting for the present incumbent to submit his resignation without having to denotify.